Have you ever noticed that when you've slept well at night, anywhere from 7 to 8 hours or even more, your skin feels fresh, you look like you're glowing, and the days you get less sleep, maybe a few hours, maybe not even, you just feel like you look so dull, your dark circles look worse, everything looks so unhappy? Did you know there's actually a science behind this? And I'm going to tell you what that is. I'm Dr. Anika Goyal, Chief Consultant Dermatologist and Hair Transplant Surgeon at Soul Derma Clinic, New Delhi. Today, I'll tell you all about how sleep is directly impacting your skin and your health. Now, the first thing to understand here is collagen and sleep are related. When you're not sleeping well, your body will feel stressed. Sleep is when we recover. Even for children, we say, right, that when they sleep well, they're able to grow well. Well, that is the same for us as adults. When we sleep, our body gets to rest, our bodily functions get to rest, the basic daily functions or basic life-saving functions will continue, but the non-essential functions take a pause, the energy expenditure reduces, and this helps your body recover. And through this process, your body is able to rebuild and reform collagen. And collagen, as you know, are the building blocks for better skin. When we're not able to get good sleep at night, our inflammation levels also go higher. And when the inflammation's higher, all forms of skin diseases and skin issues tend to pop up. Whether it's a pre-existing condition like maybe a psoriasis, eczema, these will also flare. It could be acne. There's so many skin issues that come up and tend to flare due to inflammation. And a lot of times the main culprit could even just be your sleep. Now, lack of sleep directly stresses your body. This can directly impact the circulation of blood in your body. It can even predispose you to other health conditions like heart issues, hypertension, and so much more. Now, what we have to understand in terms of skin is when our circulation is hampered, this will impact the way your skin appears in terms of the tone, the way it overall looks, and the way it's behaving. So please understand that lack of sleep is not just a small thing, and it tends to become a habit for many people, and it's in your hand to manage your lifestyle. One of the most common things we see in clinic is that patients will complain their dark circles are due to lack of sleep. To some extent, this is true, but there are other factors for sure. But yes, when you've not slept well, you tend to look more dull, and that also shows on your dark circles, and they tend to look more dark and accentuated, and over time that just becomes permanent. Now you know the importance of your beauty sleep. Make sure that you sleep well anywhere from at least 6 to 8 hours so that your body gets good rest and you stay in the best of health. If you found this video helpful, or if you know anyone that doesn't sleep well and can choose to improve their life, share this video with them and like the video, subscribe to my channel.